Hey everybody. So after researching the language demographics over the past 20 years on the national, state, and local level, I found that there's an increase in people aged 5 and over that don't speak English very well. And I didn't really think this was a surprise, and I think it will continue to rise. Um, so the school that I profiled was Bellamy Elementary, and I have their website pulled up in the back because I wanted to show what's on their front page because I thought it was really awesome um, that they have the dual language rocks in the background. I thought that was really cool, and that makes it clear that they welcome cultural diversity. And I also think that it's clear they see language diversity as a resource, and they are there to help English language learners excel. I believe the school demographics match that of the state and the country, and I didn't really have suggestions for improvements because I did see that the school just added a dual language VBK program, and it's new and exclusive to them. So I thought that was a really good improvement, and I want to show their brochure for that, and they have it in English and in Spanish. So it's kind of like, I think, an extension of their dual language program, and the students will get a guaranteed spot in that program if they're in the VBK program. So I thought that was really awesome. And I know our book talks about how second language acquisition is complex. It's a complex process that happens over time. So I think that little bit of extra time will really help the students in learning English.